Aiden. Hi! Where are you going? You gonna take a bath? Is it bath time? Mama! You waving to Daddy? You waving to Daddy? No? Yeah. And who's in your drawers? And who's in your drawers? You did it! You did it! You climb all the way up the stairs to do the Swiffer? Huh? Aiden, you come upstairs to do Swiffer? Aiden.